Hi, this is David from Smart World. I'm going to show you the new product called Picasso. This device will allow you to watch Netflix movies or Disney Plus movies into your car radio with easy plug and play connectivity. So as you can see, this device comes with a USB port. What we simply do is in your car, and this is a Jeep JL 2019, we just connect here on the USB port of the car, this way, and we just see that the device is connected now. So we wait for a few seconds until the light is steady and until the device is being recognized by your car. So once that connection happens, you will see on the screen of your device that it's going to start connecting to the product. We'll say hello, and then the CarPlay is ready. So this is important. So for your driving safety, please do not watch videos when driving. So I know. And as you can see, Netflix comes already installed, and of course you can watch YouTube videos, and you can add any extra device, any extra apps from settings, add the any of the Android applications into your product, and then you can watch from any other sources. So in order to see the internet, because this needs to be connected to the internet, what you do is you go into your mobile phone, and you go to your hotspot, and you share your hotspot with this device once it's connected. So what you do is you go here and settings, wireless LAN, you share your hotspot, and then you select the hotspot selected from your mobile phone. You will see here coming soon. It's already, I think it's already installed, connected. iPhone, yeah, there we go. So it's already connected to the iPhone of my mobile phone wireless connectivity. So it's ready. We have wireless now, networking. We go into Netflix, for example. I already signed into Netflix. And here's my Netflix page, fully operational. Just note that this symbol is to go back and forward in the setup menus, so you can move these around. Just put it in here. For example, if you want to exit Netflix, you click on this button here. If you want to watch movies, you simply select the movie you want to watch. For example, I was watching this one.
Donna's not the problem. I am. Felicity says that she's lost herself in our relationship.
And there we go.
She doesn't know who she is, and that if we hadn't have left.
Go back. Yeah, and this is how it works. And this is the main menu. So it's easy to install, 10 seconds. Share your network from your mobile phone, and ready to go. Thank you very much. If you want to watch more about this product or information about this product, just go to www.smartworldcompany.com.